Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken juicy using an easy method. First, consider brining your chicken. This simple step adds incredible moisture and flavor. Next, ensure your chicken pieces are of even thickness by gently pounding them. This promotes uniform cooking, preventing dry spots. Finally, we'll discuss searing at high heat to lock in those juices and create a beautiful golden brown crust. These techniques will transform your chicken. To brine, dissolve 1 tablespoon of salt in 1 cup of water for every chicken piece. Submerge your chicken for at least 30 minutes or up to 4 hours in the refrigerator. After brining, pat the chicken dry. For even cooking, place chicken breasts between 2 sheets of plastic wrap and pound them to a uniform 3/4 inch thickness. This ensures every part cooks perfectly. Heat a skillet over medium-high heat with a little oil. Sear your chicken for 3 to 4 minutes per side until golden brown. Then, transfer it to a 375-degree Fahrenheit oven to finish cooking. Cook until an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit is reached. Crucially, let the chicken rest for 5 to 10 minutes after cooking. This allows the juices to redistribute, keeping it incredibly moist. Always use a meat thermometer to confirm your chicken reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit for safety and perfect doneness. Beyond brining, marinating with acidic ingredients like lemon juice or vinegar can also help tenderize the meat and add flavor. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment. Also, life's too short for cheap socks. Check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.